Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena from OlenaRosanne, and if you want to see what a ultra conditioning souffle can do for my hair from Annabelle's Perfect Blend, make sure you stay tuned and let's see how this deep conditioner works. The Annabelle's Ultra Conditioning Souffle. So this is a deep conditioner applied to damp hair, paying special attention to the ends. Cover hair with plastic cap and sit underneath the dryer for 30 minutes for best results. Rinse and proceed to style as usual. So my hair's already been washed. Y'all, this smells like vanilla cookies to me. Like sugar cookies. Nice and creamy and thick. The touch. Do y'all see this curl poppage? Do you see this curl poppage? Okay, time to wash this out, but I can tell you right now, I'm loving my hair. My hair feels jam-packed with moisture, and it's so soft, no tangles. So I'll go wash it out, and I'll be back. Love it. Hair is soft, still has body, it's not weighed down, moisturized and detangled. So y'all, again, this was the Annabelle's Ultra Conditioning Souffle from Annabelle's Perfect Blend, and I love it. Love it. So anyway, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you go ahead and do that. Hit the notification bell and get ready for the next video. Other than that, I'll talk to you later, Roses. Bye.